Got a wallet bursting with bank cards, or are you looking to optimize your financial setup? Ever wondered, specifically, how many neon bank cards can I actually have? It's a question that pops up more often than you'd think, especially as people look to manage their money more effectively, separate finances for different goals, or simply take advantage of the features Neon offers. Neon, for those new to the game, is a Swiss digital bank that's become incredibly popular for its user-friendly app, competitive exchange rates, and fee-transparent approach. It's essentially banking reimagined for the digital age, catering to a generation that prefers managing their money from their smartphone rather than queuing at a physical branch. With its sleek interface and focus on everyday spending, it's no surprise that many users might consider having multiple Neon cards for various purposes. Think about it. You might want a dedicated card for your travel budget, another for online subscriptions, and a third for your daily expenses. This kind of compartmentalization can be a game changer for budgeting and financial clarity. But does Neon facilitate this multi-card approach, or are there limitations? Let's dive into the core of the matter. As it stands, Neon generally allows each individual user to have one primary Neon bank card linked to their main account. This is a standard practice across many digital and traditional banks. Your Neon account, identified by your unique IBAN, is designed to be a single hub for your financial activities with them, and the card acts as the primary access point to those funds. However, it's worth noting that while you typically get one physical debit MasterCard, Neon's digital capabilities often provide workarounds or alternative solutions that mimic the benefits of having multiple cards. For instance, within the Neon app, you can often set up various spaces or pots to compartmentalize your money digitally. While these aren't separate physical cards, they allow you to allocate funds for different purposes and track your spending against those specific budgets. This can be incredibly effective for managing different financial goals without the need for multiple pieces of plastic. Furthermore, remember that your Neon account is a personal one. If you're thinking about separate cards for business expenses or shared household finances, Neon, like most personal banking platforms, is not designed for that. For business banking, you typically look into dedicated business accounts and associated cards. For shared finances, joint accounts, which Neon doesn't currently offer in the traditional sense, or shared budgeting apps might be more appropriate. It's also crucial to distinguish between different types of Neon cards if they were to introduce them in the future, though there's no indication of this currently. For example, some banks offer credit cards in addition to debit cards. As of now, Neon primarily offers a debit MasterCard. The answer to how many would change if they were to diversify their card offerings significantly. Always refer to the most up-to-date information directly from Neon's official website or their terms and conditions, as banking policies can evolve. So, to recap, while the direct answer to how many Neon bank cards can I have is generally one physical debit MasterCard per individual account, the digital features within the Neon app offer robust ways to manage your money for different purposes. It's about leveraging the app's capabilities to achieve the financial organization you're looking for, rather than relying solely on the number of physical cards in your wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.